Security in a flash. Never get left in the dark again. This is the Lorex Wi-Fi Floodlight Camera, and we're doing an unboxing. What's included inside is your quick start guide, HD video floodlight, and your wall mounted kit. There's a micro SD card inside the top. Here in the front are the floodlights with adjustable knobs. Here's the camera, and on the front is the IR LED, microphone, camera lens, and LED indicator. Now at the top, under this cover here, is the memory card slot and the reset button. Now the back has a light sensor, speaker, and PIR motion sensor. In a flattering white that blends in with any exterior wall and made with sturdy IP65 weather-resistant enclosure, the floodlight camera is ready, rain or shine. Now, this product is the perfect mix of security and outdoor lighting, and it can be individually customized vertically and horizontally. And the two floodlights are 2,000 lumens each, for a total of 4,000 lumens, the brightest optimal coverage. It can be placed outside your front door, your garage, or in your backyard. Install this wherever there's pre-wired light fixture. And because it's hardwired, there's no need to recharge any batteries. And you can record 24/7. The local storage is secure and private, and you won't have to deal with cloud storage or monthly fees. And the memory is expandable, up to 256 gigabytes, to truly allow you to record 24/7 without a worry. The attached camera is a full 1080p HD resolution with a wide-angle lens to provide a 137-degree field of view diagonally and a 114-degree view horizontally. Now, another amazing feature of the IR night vision, which uses infrared LED to see even in complete darkness, up to 50 feet. So you'll detect movement sooner and never miss a beat. Capture only the most important moments with the passive infrared motion detector. This built-in sensor has a 270-degree horizontal field of view and designed to sense the infrared energy of people, animals, or vehicles. Now, this reduces annoying false alerts from other moving objects. Connect your floodlight via the Lorex Home app. Now, with the app, you can remotely trigger the siren and activate the floodlights. Now, the floodlights are controlled 3 ways: motion, schedule, or manually in the app settings. And here, you can also check past video recordings or live stream the camera at any time. For additional security coverage, engage the 2-way talk or record audio should an incident occur. Brighten your security with the Lorex 1080p Wi-Fi Floodlight.